sunshine.
Say hi. Hi, Ka. Say hi, Jessica. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi po for the video. Say hi. Pero ano nila ka?
Hi.
Your party assistant for today and tonight. Let's feel this party with fun and festivities. So, balita ko nga, meron daw pong inihanda si Ate Bel ang energizer for today. Bago natin makasama si Ate Cheska. Ano ba yun, Ate Bel?
Yes. Ito po ay tinatawag ko na. Yes. Dahil dyan kanina po nakausap ko si Mami and Daddy. Ang hindi nyo, siyempre wala. Kaya naman, in one more time, happy birthday, Cheska! Happy birthday! Alright, kaya naman without any further ado, let us all welcome the star of the night, Cheska, with her loving family. Ayan, at nandito na si Cheska sa ating harapan. Sabay-sabay naman po natin siya batiin ng isang malakas na happy birthday in 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday! Ayan.
Tulak ko yan.
Alright. Kaya naman sinisingin mo na ang ating munting regalo sa ating celebrant. At yan po ay magsisilbing takda na minsan kaya po nag-celebrate ng iyong birthday here at McDonald's. Baby, thank you so much. Creamy. Okay, babalik mo na po si Creamy. So, mag-celebrate pa kasi yung parents eh. Hindi na natin dalawa. Kaya sobrang supportive naman din ng mami nila. Okay, Ate Cheska, para naman po alam nila yung gagawin. Can you give them an example po?
Friends and family standing here, celebrating every birthday magically with balloons rising to the sky. Dreams will never die, dancing stars of moonlight.
Palakpakan naman po natin si birthday girl. So, gano'n lamang po kayo sa kanyang gagawin. Tipid po naman. Okay, ready ka na po ba? Ay, nabi ang support system natin. Ang dami ng supporters. Ready na ba kuya? Ano po name? Okay, Kuya Sholo, ready na ba? Tatanggal natin sa point mama. Okay, Kuya Sholo. Sing happy birthday in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. It's a day that brings you, taking love from me and you, singing love will find you. Ay, wala 9 seconds. Asa lang ating 8 seconds? Si Baby Boy.
Second
Ate Nicolene, ready na po ba? Happy birthday.
rising to the sky, birthday dreams will never die, dancing stars until the night. It's your day, so rise up.
13, 12, 11, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Ayan, sa ating second game po, ito po yung tinatawag. Sweet girl. Ayan, ang ating dinosaur. The most iconic of tonight. Balinig muna ng roar, ma'am. Yan po. Okay na. Ayun, may action pa. Ang ating dinosaur. Okay, ang ating cow. Ayan. Okay, ang ating last but not least. Sir, parang papunta na yan sa sisiw. Ayan, thank you so much. Siyempre, meron din po kayong gift prizes. Ayan. Ayan. May na your candle po. Ayan. Sabay-sabay naman po natin ulit batiin si Ate Cheska ng happy birthday. In 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Cheska! Ayan.
Open it. First, ito na itatanong sa nylons. Open it.
Hindi siya pasan. Nangyaray ko siya ipasa.
Kay Cheska yan?
Ano pala to?
Tita, regalo namin.
Ay, saan?
Ito.
Ay, ang ganda!
Ito pa, oh.
Sis, nabigay ko na ba yun, no? Envelope.
Yes, kuya. Thank you. I realize yung birthday mo, lagi ka nakaganito.
Pongo ba yan?
Apo. Hindi talaga kasha? Yeah, mo na. Thank you. Do you like the pens? This how it says thank you. Thank you.
Girls, sige sa kayat, ha?
We're living in beautiful moments. We have to freeze the frame. Tiny flashes of perfection worth more than fortune or fame. It's the unexpected laughter, the hand held in the rain, the sudden clear awareness that we won't pass this way again. These simple, honest treasures, we collect them one by one. These are the beautiful moments beneath the morning sun. I remember sitting silently, just watching you read a book. The comfortable, easy feeling in every single look. No need for grand pronouncements, no need for drama or noise. Just the pure shared existence, filling us with joys. A sudden favorite song playing on the radio, a gentle knowing glance, a quiet peace. full glow. Don't